Have you ever wondered what a rainbow volcano might look like? Just imagine an explosion of colors, each one blending into the next, creating a cascade of vibrant hues. This isn't just a dazzling spectacle. It's also a fascinating experiment that combines the magic of rainbows with the explosive power of volcanoes. It's all about color, chemistry, and a whole lot of fun. Well, today you're in for a treat as we delve into the wonderful world of color and chemistry. Before we begin, gather these simple household items: baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, dish soap, and a tray or dish. Let's take a moment to understand each item and its role in our Rainbow Volcano experiment. First up, baking soda. A common ingredient in your kitchen is our volcano's magic dust. It's going to create the fizz when mixed with vinegar. Speaking of vinegar, it's not just for salads anymore. This tangy liquid is the catalyst in our experiment, reacting with baking soda to cause an eruption. Next, we have food coloring. These little bottles of color will bring the rainbow into our volcano. Dish soap, on the other hand, enhances the bubbly action, making our volcano more dramatic and fun. Finally, we need a tray or dish. This will serve as our experimental grounds, containing the colorful eruption and keeping our workspace tidy. With these items ready, the adventure to the Rainbow Volcano is about to start. Now it's time to set up your very own rainbow volcano. First off, we're going to need a dish. This is going to be the base of our volcano. It could be a flat dish, a bowl, or even a cake tin. Anything that can hold our volcano and capture the colorful lava when it erupts. Place this dish on a surface that can be easily cleaned, because trust me, it's going to get a little messy. Next, let's build our volcano. Take a cup, it could be a small plastic cup or a glass, and place it in the center of your dish. This cup is going to act as the volcano's vent, where the eruption will take place. Now, using Play-Doh or clay, let's shape the volcano around the cup. Make sure it's sturdy and doesn't have any gaps. The only open spot should be the top of the cup. Now, it's time to fill our volcano with magic. Or, well, baking soda. Pour a good amount of baking soda into the cup. Fill it up until it's about 3/4 full. This baking soda is going to react with the vinegar to create our spectacular eruption. Now let's prepare the lava. This is where the rainbow part comes in. Take 6 cups and pour an equal amount of vinegar into each one. Now add a few drops of different food coloring into each cup. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The more vibrant, the better. Give each cup a good stir to make sure the color is evenly distributed. And there you have it. Your volcano is set up and your colorful lava is ready to go. But wait, don't pour it in just yet. We're going to save that for the next step. With your colorful vinegar ready, you're one step closer to witnessing the rainbow volcano. Get ready for the magic. It's time to create the eruption. The stage is set, and it's time for our volcano to spring to life in a riot of colors. The secret to this colorful eruption lies in the chemistry of 2 everyday items: dish soap and baking soda. First, we're going to add a hearty squirt of dish soap to the baking soda that's already nested within our volcano. Why dish soap, you ask? Well, it's about to add an extra layer of frothy, bubbly fun to our eruption. The soap's going to catch the gas produced by our reaction and turn it into a cascade of colorful foam. Now, for the grand finale, we're going to pour the colored vinegar slowly and steadily into our volcano. Watch as the colors mix and mingle, creating a beautiful rainbow effect. The magic is happening right before our eyes. But what's really causing this spectacular eruption? It's a simple chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda is a base, and vinegar is an acid. When they meet, they react to form carbon dioxide, a gas. This gas rushes out of the volcano, carrying some of the colored vinegar and bubbles from the dish soap along with it. It's this gas trying to escape that causes our colorful, frothy eruption. It's a great reminder that science isn't just about lab coats and microscopes. It's everywhere around us. In the food we eat, the air we breathe, and yes, even in rainbow-colored volcanoes made from kitchen ingredients. And there you have it, your very own rainbow volcano. A vibrant, exciting demonstration of how science can be fun, colorful, and a little bit messy. But remember, the best part about science is not just the spectacular results, but the journey of discovery along the way. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep exploring the magic of science. Wasn't that a spectacular sight? But what exactly happened? Let's delve into the science behind our colorful explosion. The volcano eruption you just witnessed is a result of a chemical reaction. Now don't let that term scare you. A chemical reaction is simply a process where one or more substances are changed into one or more new substances. It's like magic, but it's science. In our Rainbow Volcano experiment, the substances at play were baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate if we want to get scientific, is a base. It's the opposite of an acid. Vinegar, on the other hand, is an acid. It's called acetic acid. When we mix these two together, they react and create something new. They form carbon dioxide gas, water, and a type of salt. The carbon dioxide gas is what causes all the fizzing and bubbling action. It's trying to escape, and in doing so, it pushes the liquid up and out, mimicking a volcanic eruption. But wait, you might be wondering, why was there foam? That's where the dish soap comes in. Dish soap is a foaming agent. It traps the carbon dioxide gas bubbles, creating a thick, frothy foam. The more gas that's produced, the more foam we get. And the colors? Well, that's just for fun. The food coloring doesn't play a role in the reaction. It just makes our eruption more visually exciting. So, there you have it. Our Rainbow Volcano experiment is a fascinating demonstration of a chemical reaction, where a base, baking soda, and an acid, vinegar, combine to create gas, carbon dioxide, water, and salt. And the dish soap, well, it just makes everything more bubbly and fun. So not only is the Rainbow Volcano a fun experiment, but it's also a lesson in chemistry. Creating a rainbow volcano is a blast, isn't it? We've journeyed together through this colorful adventure, and I hope you've had as much fun as I have. But before we sign off, let's take a moment to review what we've done today. We began by gathering our materials, didn't we? The baking soda, the vinegar, the dish soap, and of course our rainbow of food coloring. Remember, it's always important to have everything you need at hand before you start an experiment. It keeps things neat and tidy, and ensures you're prepared for every step of the way. Then, we moved on to setting up the experiment. This is where the magic began to take shape. We created our volcano structure, added our baking soda and a dash of dish soap. Then we painted our volcano with the colors of the rainbow. Remember to always be careful during this step. While our rainbow volcano is a safe and fun experiment, it's always best to have an adult around to help you, especially when dealing with substances like vinegar and baking soda. And who could forget the eruption? That was the moment our rainbow volcano truly came to life. By adding the vinegar to our volcano, we set off a fizzy, colorful explosion that was nothing short of spectacular. But it wasn't just about the spectacle, was it? It was also about the science. And that brings us to the heart of our experiment, understanding the science behind the eruption. It's fascinating how simple household ingredients can create such an amazing reaction, isn't it? By combining the baking soda and vinegar, we created a chemical reaction that resulted in our colorful explosion. The baking soda, a base, reacted with the vinegar, an acid, to produce carbon dioxide gas. This gas is what caused our eruption, pushing the colorful bubbles up and out of our volcano. So there you have it. We've created a rainbow volcano, learned about chemical reactions, and had a blast doing it. I hope you're inspired to try this experiment at home, with adult supervision, of course. Remember, science isn't just about learning facts from a book. It's about exploring the world around us, asking questions and seeking answers. It's about sparking that sense of curiosity and wonder that makes life so exciting. Remember, science is all around us, and with a little creativity, even a volcano can become a rainbow.